Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely change how you think about success and productivity. Are you tired of setting goals and not achieving them? Maybe the problem isn't the goals, it's the lack of a system. Let's explore the differences between systems and goals and learn how to set up a system that works for you. First, let's clarify the difference between goals and systems. A goal is an outcome you want to achieve. For example, I want to lose 10 pounds or I want to write a book. It's the destination. A system is the process or daily practice that helps you move toward that goal. For instance, instead of I want to lose 10 pounds, a system might be I'll eat healthy meals and exercise for 30 minutes every day. Here's the key, goals give you direction, but systems build momentum. Think of it like this, a goal is your compass, but a system is your vehicle. Here's why systems are more effective. Consistency beats motivation. Goals rely on motivation, which can fade over time. Systems create habits that don't require willpower. Focus on progress, not perfection. With goals, you might feel discouraged if you're not there yet. Systems let you celebrate small wins every day. Adaptability. Goals can feel rigid. A system can evolve as your circumstances change, ensuring you stay on track. Now, let's talk about setting a system. Follow these steps. Identify your direction. Start with a broad vision. What do you want to improve? Health, career, relationships? Break it down into daily actions. Think about habits or tasks you can consistently do. For example, if your vision is to get healthier, your system might include drinking 8 glasses of water daily, meal prepping on Sundays, exercising for 30 minutes each morning. Track and adjust. Keep track of your progress, but don't obsess over perfection. Reflect weekly, what's working? What's not? Adjust your system as needed. Focus on input, not output. Remember, the goal is an outcome, but the system is your input. Focus on showing up and putting in the work. Many successful people credit systems for their achievements. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, emphasizes focusing on habits over goals. Even Bill Gates and Elon Musk prioritize consistent systems to drive innovation and success. The takeaway? You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So, what will you choose, chasing goals or building systems? Let me know in the comments what system you're excited to create. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a system reboot. Until next time, focus on progress, stay consistent, and keep building systems that lead to success.